If you're camera shy or simply prefer to stay behind the scenes, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the world of faceless YouTube video ideas. We'll explore creative, engaging, and successful content strategies that don't require you to show your face on camera. In this video, we'll focus on 3 exciting niches that you can work on and create such content. Niche number 1, the animal niche. This video right here has over 800,000 views, and all it is made of is a script, a voiceover and B-roll footage, which is exactly what AI can do for us. I recreated this video idea with InVideo AI, which is the best AI video generator for such YouTube videos, and it came up with an even better video than the original. All I had to do is enter a prompt telling it which video to make, and it then made the script. It added a voiceover, it found B-roll footage, as well as added subtitles when I asked it to, so that the viewer can read along. However, you cannot start just any niche with AI just yet, which is why in this video, I will cover the best video formats as well as niche ideas. When it comes to the animal niche, you can monetize this with the ads on your videos, for which they'll pay you about $4 per 1,000 views, which can already make up for some great money, considering the fact that this channel has about 40 million views. That would be over $160,000 as the bare minimum. But on top of that, you can promote animal products and earn a commission every single time you bring in a sale, which is exactly what this channel is doing. They send all of their viewers to the link in their bio, and if you click on that, it will bring you to an Amazon influencer page, which is a page that you can set up and list all sorts of products that will help out your audience. This way, if someone clicks on this link, then goes ahead and buys this product, then channel owner will earn a commission. And if you're sending a lot of traffic, that can make up for a lot of money. Niche number 2, the travel niche. Now, this one is actually a perfect fit for my list of requirements. In my opinion, if you cannot make as good as or a better video using AI than your competitors are doing, it's going to be pretty hard to grow fast or even grow in the first place. Now, if the answer to that question is no, meaning you cannot make as good or a better video, there's only one reason left to still go into that niche, which would be that there is little to no supply in it. But that's not all yet. In fact, there's actually something I'd like to focus on more than niches. I'll tell you about that in a bit. But first, let's take a look at a channel that does this. Turopia, they're currently getting millions of views and they haven't uploaded in 2 months, which means that the monthly revenue that they're bringing in as of right now is profit because they've got 0 costs. So yes, in this niche, we can easily make similar videos using AI. Now, might be thinking that you can simply copy their content, but I don't think it will help. You can simply go for a slightly different content and add some other places too. However, I want you to be creative and think broader. There's channels that showcase the best hotels to visit, the best restaurants to eat at, tourist camps to be aware of in every location, and there's so much more. If we analyze their mega popular videos, we can see that all of them are about certain locations in the world to visit. In combination with an insane video length, you can see 35 minutes, 25 minutes, 28 minutes, 35 minutes, even 42 minutes. And creating videos like this can easily be done with InVideo AI by entering a prompt like this. Create a 10-minute travel guide for best destinations to go to in Europe during the winter of 2024. Use a male voiceover and peaceful background music. Here's a few things you want to consider when making a video with AI. Make sure to mention the length you want the video to be, what kind of voiceover you would like the video to have, as well as the type of background music that you would like. As soon as you've done that, you can click on generate a video, and the AI will now create the entire video for you. They'll then ask you who the video is meant for. Travel enthusiasts, holiday planners, adventure seekers, and depending on what your video is about, this will show different filters. I will stick to travel enthusiast. I will change to clean for the look and feel, since that's what we're doing, and then the platform should be YouTube. Then click continue, and as soon as this is done, which may take just a few minutes, we should have a very similar video as to Turopia. So while in video, AI is generating our video in the background, I want to give you a quick tip when creating such videos. Taking a look at the prompt that we just gave to the AI, this is what it looked like. Now, this will do the job. However, you can make an even better, more targeted video by using a better prompt. So right now, I mentioned the best destinations to go to, but I did not include anything specific which I could actually do. So if I go to ChatGPT and ask it to give me a list of the 10 best places to visit in Europe during the winter of 2024, it will spit out a top 10 list that I can then include in my prompt. And then the AI will use that in the script. This way, you can kind of do a little bit more quality control when making your videos. As you can see, our entire video is now done. And if I play it for you, it will have a script, video footage, as well as a voiceover. Let's say you don't like a specific part of the video. What you can do is change it very quickly. You can do that by clicking on Edit right here, and then simply replacing any of the B-roll stock footage by searching for it yourself. For example, I can just search for Paris and then replace it with any of the clips from here by simply clicking and then apply changes. The same goes for the script. If you click Edit Script, you can find the entire script, which is AI generated, and then you can replace anything by just typing it in here yourself. Now, even though that works just fine, what is even better is the command edit box, where you can simply tell it what to do. For example, change the opening clip to a drone shot of Paris, click generate, and it will do just that. As you can see, we now have a drone shot. Now you can try out InVideo AI for free, and if you're serious about growing on YouTube and making high quality content, I do recommend taking a paid plan which starts as low as just $20 a month. As for the RPM in this niche, it can be anywhere from 4 all the way up to 10 or even more, depending on where your viewers are from, as well as the video length, because longer the video, the more ads you can place. Niche number 3, the health niche. This very simple video right here, and it has over 8.5 million views. And believe it or not, 5 years ago, this video was made with an AI tool. This tool was called Vidnami. This was basically the first ever simple AI video maker. And it doesn't stop there. They've got tons of videos with millions and millions of views. In total, their channel has 160 million views, which means that just in the AdSense revenue, they can be close to $1 million. And just like with the animal niche, apart from just AdSense revenue, you can promote all sorts of health products to your viewers and earn high commissions. So that's basically all about Faceless YouTube Channel Ideas. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.